What if this is the last reminder you ever hear before your heart hardens for good? Would you scroll, or would you stay and listen because you're not here by chance? His name was Rehan, 26 years old, graduate, skilled, smart men, but jobless for 8 months. The kind of pain you can't even share with friends anymore because you're tired of saying, "I'm still waiting," tired of pretending you're okay. But Rehan, he didn't give up. For 17 nights in a row, he woke up before Fajr. Everyone asleep, the city silent. Just him and his Lord. He didn't make long du'as, just whispered the same one, again and again. "Ya Allah, I don't want much, just a job, a way to start my life." But silence, day after day, week after week. His inbox empty, his phone quiet. And then came night 18, and he felt it, that ache, that heaviness. He sat on his prayer mat, eyes wet, heart tired. But this time he didn't ask, he just breathed out slowly and said, "Whatever you've written for me, I trust it now. I just want you to be pleased with me." That was it. No complaints, no begging, just surrender. And that was the morning his phone finally rang. Twice. 2 offers. Both better than anything he had even prayed for. Sometimes Allah doesn't give you the job when you ask. He waits until your heart is ready to receive it, until your trust is no longer in the paycheck, but in Him. If you're tired, I hear you, but don't give up on the night Allah might be writing your answer. Your 18th night could be tonight, so tonight stay, pray, and trust the one who is always by your side. And when you finally stop chasing the result, you'll realize the real gift was always Him. Jazakallahu khairan for watching. And I pray, if this reached you, it was written to heal something inside of you. May Allah make it easy for you. Ameen.